So Dad's apprentice took the day off today. I think he's off for the weekend. And got the transmission here in the shop now, the engine, and the differential. So those are the three main parts that Dad's gonna need here. And he's still a little sore from his fall there the other day, but he's doing some simpler tasks here to fill in the blanks. And we're gonna go check in with him. Okay, so what are you working on today here?
Just some light duty stuff because my shoulder is still bothering me.
You got the bushings out. What are you doing here?
These, we took his bushings and used them in the woody because we didn't have bushings, new bushings. So
And
we ordered new bushings in, and like these are brand new.
Yeah.
So they're going to go into
the brand new machine.
brand new machine.
Okay.
I'm just drilling extra grease holes.
Yeah.
So that everything gets greased, and then I countersink that a little bit there.
Okay.
A couple sizes bigger because there's a come over on this side. There's a grease nipple goes in there,
Okay.
and I bought long ones about that long threaded.
Yeah.
So that acts as an anchor when that's in the bushing counter.
Okay. Yep.
So now I'm gonna have coffee.
Oh, okay. So you got the table all cleared off here, or what are you putting up there first? You got everything set up here.
We got this already just for work area. Right?
Yeah.
The transmission's in, the motor's in, and the differential.
Okay.
So I'm going to work on the differential up here because it gives me lots of room to work around, and these tables are all on wheels. Eh?
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm going to put the races and the bearings and the axles and seals in.
Okay.
And then this one's ready to put in.
Okay.
And then I'll get that motor lifted up.
Yeah.
I'll probably put it on this table again.
Okay.
Because I have to take the distributor and the fuel pump off. That's how tight a fit is in there.
Oh, wow. Okay. So again, Dad's just
We're short of a flex plate though.
a flex plate.
Yeah.
Which one are you?
Maybe it's in the storage shed.
Okay.
But
What am I looking for here
the
specifically?
flex plate bolts onto here.
Okay.
And then the transmission bolts onto the flex plate.
Okay. Well, I'll look for that in the building here over the weekend.
And yeah. Well, you gotta go back right away, then.
Yeah, but
that's
I
what
can
we-
find it this weekend.
We can look that over
Okay.
when you're off it.
So the Woody has been moved to the front position here, so they're going to work on it when they get time. But
Well, he's gone now, so he's
yeah, and so Dad's going to keep on working here on the blue narrow gauge, and he's got it off the trailer. He did that yesterday or day before yesterday. Everything's blocked off. They get the brand new tires on there.
we put tires on just so we can move it.
Okay.
And boy, they have the hell of a time. We have to take the Bombardier and the carrier assembly off the trailer first of all, and then get rid of it, then bring the Bombardier back in and take the carrier assembly off. You know, that was bolted on there. So we're good to go now.
Okay. So Dennis Evans, our guy that makes the fuel tanks, he wants to say hi, and he's made a new tire, and he wants to come and visit. And I told him to come visit anytime.
More than welcome.
There you go, Dennis. So if you're watching this from Regina, Dennis Evans, you're more than welcome to come. And if you got your new tires that you've invented to show the crowd, by all means, bring a sample here, and we'll show them on the videos.
Bring a pair,
Yeah.
and then we'll see how they work out.
So Dennis is literally reinvented the wheel for the Bombardier, and so he's eager to come here and test. And but if you guys need plastic fuel tanks, I'll put Dennis's contact details down in the video here, and you can get plastic fuel tanks off of Dennis.
when Dennis comes, we're going to show him the tank that goes into the back. He might, if he gets enough orders, he can maybe make a form, make one of them.
Yeah, right. Okay. Okay, so that's it. It's Friday. I think it's the 15th, and we're gonna all weekend here. We're gonna check in. Dad's arm is still a little bit sore, so we got easier tasks for him to do this weekend. But we're gonna keep on progressing here. Dad's just talking about visitors here and the Apprentice and whatnot, and one of the things that some of the guys are commenting on online there, Dad, is there's a lot of guys that would gladly apprentice with you if they were closer here. Yeah. So if you need any help, I think there's a lineup of guys that want. So we tell guys all the time, come and visit. Dad's here 7 days a week, and you're more than welcome to show up. Just give us a call or message me before you do. And but Dad doesn't mind visitors, and if you want to apprentice out here, we'll put you to work. There's no shortage of tasks.
Well, I'm going to tell you what happened. Matt Campbell come here. He bought a Bombardier, a used one. Eh?
Yeah.
And within 10 hours, the differential packed up.
Oh, nice.
So he bought another one. Cost him $1,700 to set up the preload, and whoever done it didn't even clean out the housing.
Yeah.
And there had been water in the diff, and some of the gears are rusted up.
Okay.
And then he couldn't get seals. So he goes to Carly's.
Yeah.
He didn't get any seals. So he comes here with a Frenchman. He's just hyper. And I'm explaining to him what to do, and he's just talking steady. So I said to Mac, I said, "Is there something wrong with that guy?" He said, "No, he's good, but he can't stop talking." So anyway, 4 hours later, we got him on the right track, and I got the seals in.
Okay.
So Matt's gonna come back and get the seals and put his machine together.
Okay, so lucky found the right seals. Okay, we're gonna have to get those part numbers off those seals because a bunch of guys are asking for that too. So anyways, there's no end of visitors and apprentices that want to show up here, but you're more than welcome to show up anytime, guys. We've always got machines here.
Here's a little tip. If you guys need seals, when you knock them out, try and save the housing so we can get the numbers.
Yeah, the part numbers are the big ones.
Other than that, like for axle seal, if you damage it that we can't read it, then you got to measure the outside and the size of the axle to get the right seal order.
Yeah, exactly.
And then there's 2 seals on each side, eh?
Yeah.
And they're different sizes. I'm willing to help anybody as long as they listen.
There you go. Our Daisy Puckatawagan garbage truck and our Charles in charge, our King Charles, sharing the couch.